all still here. Have they patched them up? Oh, they patched them up. Good. Yes, I know I'm going at grandad speeds. The bloody van with ladders on, pulling ahead of me. But as I said, I'm not really a speed freak. I prefer to take it easy. Old fine flare. It's going dismal now and a bit chilly. Bugger. I'm going to have to learn to edit on if it's gone over the hour. Why do they always brake for cattle grids? They're not going to collapse, are they? That's the idea. Well, here we are again, good old Rivington. So what is the Chorley Grand Prix? 15th of April. I missed a new road, didn't I? Might as well go up it as I've had the good sense to resurface a grotty old road. Before, just a jumble of rocks and huge dipped about a foot deep. I tried to get up it on my Aprilia 650 because it was sort of trial by its time, and I couldn't do it. I had to turn back. I know he should have moved, but why faff about? I thought this might have cleared my chest a bit. It's all on my chest now. Last time it was there for about 3 or 4 weeks. My last dose of man flu. Bloody hell. Pooh, wacky wacky. No, am I? Too late for a rat burger or what? Oh yeah, a woman giving a fella a lift. That's unusual. Never been very keen on giving, having people on the back a pillion. There's a few more clicks coming up that hill. Could it be? I could take that cover off and have a look at the drive cog. I don't know. Yep, that's what I used to have. Very clean. Mine was the S version with the fur in there. Yeah, that's an Odin aerial. Is that a red Hunter 350? Little Hornet. Oh, I forgot to say, because I had some left of that screen trim. Can you see? I put it on the heat shield of my Sanity. It stuck quite well, because there's a sort of gungy glue in it, in a little channel. I do, alright. Yeah, that seat lets it down. I was just saying I could do with another one, but £45 just for bloody cats to claw again, it's not worth spending money on. Yeah, just stray cat comes in my yard and he jumps up, digs his claws in, and then settles here and pain in bloody ass. I've got a cover for it, but if I put a cover over it, cats just piss all over that. I could do with strapping some at on with bungees. The what?
You get some stuffy spray on stuff but it keeps cats away from them.
Oh yeah. Well, I should have put something on, like a thick blanket or some kind of cover with bungees on, and just put it on